In today's business world, being the lowest cost producer can make all the difference in competitive industries where consumers are highly price sensitive. A cost competitive advantage happens when a company produces goods or services at a lower cost than its competitors. This allows them to either offer lower prices or maintain higher profit margins while charging the same price as everyone else. It's a powerful way to stand out, especially in price-driven markets. Let's look at how some major brands use this to their advantage. Example 1. Walmart. They are synonymous with low prices, thanks to its cost-competitive advantage. By negotiating bulk purchasing deals and using advanced inventory systems, Walmart minimizes operating costs, allowing it to offer everyday low prices. This attracts millions of price-sensitive shoppers, making Walmart the world's largest retailer. Example 2. McDonald's. They keep costs low by standardizing processes across its global network, purchasing ingredients in bulk, and using a franchise model that reduces capital expenses. With highly efficient operations, the company can offer value meals and promotions that appeal to budget-conscious consumers. This strategy has helped McDonald's dominate the fast food industry, with consistent profitability driven by high sales volume. Example 3. Ryanair. As Europe's leading low-cost airline, Ryanair thrives by focusing on no-frills service and keeping operational costs low. By using secondary airports with lower fees, maximizing aircraft usage, and charging extra for add-ons like checked baggage, Ryanair can offer some of the cheapest flights in Europe. Budget travelers flock to the airline, allowing Ryanair to remain highly competitive in a crowded market. IKEA. They have built a global empire by designing flat-pack furniture that's cheaper and easier to transport. By using cost-efficient materials and requiring customers to assemble products themselves, IKEA keeps prices low. Their streamlined supply chain and global sourcing strategies also play a major role, resulting in stylish, functional furniture at prices that appeal to the masses. Example 5. Dollar General. They focus on providing low-cost goods in small, no-frills stores, located in rural and suburban areas. By limiting product selection to high-turnover items and sourcing private label goods, the company keeps overhead low. This strategy allows Dollar General to offer deep discounts on everyday essentials, making it a go-to retailer for value-seeking customers in underserved markets. In conclusion, businesses that successfully implement a cost-competitive advantage focus on reducing production and operational costs, allowing them to offer lower prices or maintain higher profit margins. This strategy is particularly effective in industries where price competition is fierce and customers are highly price-sensitive. Whether it's Walmart's efficient supply chain or IKEA's innovative product designs, achieving and sustaining a cost advantage requires significant investment in process efficiencies, economies of scale, and effective supply chain management. For companies in industries where price is the deciding factor for consumers, this edge can be the difference between thriving and merely surviving.